Shall we begin? That's the first ball. A good running between the wickets. OSPL सीजन 10 का पहला फिनाले हमारे आंखों के सामने चल रहा है ऑफ द सीनियर्स. That's a good signal. Good running between the wickets by the seniors we are seeing here. On slide is Sandeep Ji. With him, Ajay Ji. बात को एक तरफ से संतोष करना होगा. OS Top 10 versus Super Strikers. First finale of this OSPL Season 10 Dashaka Mahagum, presented by Jalak Jewelers and Mirai Seth Mutual Funds for you. अंपायर यहाँ पे दौड़ते हैं.
बाबू बैठो ना, जान दीजिए बाबू, हिल रहा है.
What an amazing shot, but an amazing piece of fielding in the deep. Just one run they have to be content with. Oh, that's a big wicket right now. बहुत बड़ा बल्ला जरूर घुमाया था अजय जी ने, लेकिन बॉल नहीं कनेक्ट हुई, अपना विकेट गवा बैठे. और अब बल्लेबाजी करने आए हैं जॉनसन, and he's a good hitter of the ball. बट काफी सूझबूझ के खेल रहे हैं. कमल भाई, कमल सर एक सेकंड. मैं एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आप सबको बताना चाहता हूँ. सुपर स्ट्राइकर्स ने मुकेश जी भजारिया जी, जो अब हमारे बीच नहीं रहे, उनके लिए ब्लैक आर्मबैंड पहना है, उनको श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए. And with all the senior citizens, they have, from all the senior citizens, they have been wearing this band.
मैं ईश्वर को प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि दिव्य आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे.
ओपन जाओगे.
काफी जिंदादिल और दिलचस्प खिलाड़ी थे।
10 रुपये का बोला बोला भाई हम लोग गरीब लोग हैं यार, हम लोग को तो इतना पैसा मत मांग, तो भर के दे दिया पटे माफी का सब। कॉल आ रहा है राज भाई का।
Amit Ji Kothari is with the ball. It's good running between the
कॉल आ
wickets.
रहा है राज भाई का।
कितनी तेज रनिंग हमारे को देखने को मिल रही है। These seniors have been almost running as fast as the kids were running.
वेरी ट्रू। कि आप जो आपके 30s में करोगे ना उसका रिजल्ट आपको आपके 50s में आएगा, जो आपके 40s में करोगे उसका रिजल्ट आपको 60s में आएगा। राहुल, एज सिंपल एज दैट।
बढ़िया shot by that's a quick boundary. The boundary ran, the ball ran like a tracer bullet to the lines.
पावर बॉल पे हिट किया, बताना चाहूंगा पावर बॉल पे चौका। दिस इज रियली अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज।
पूरा मौके का फायदा उठाया है।
सेम शॉट अटेम्प्टेड,
No, that's
loud appeal, but I think John was
considering about a DRS. No.
I think John was quick enough to get back into the crease. As quick as it gets. Sandeep Ji on strike.
And we have seen his running between the wickets. He runs quite quickly.
क्या बोल रहा है? कौन है राज भाई वन?
Oh, who's that? What an amazing catch we have seen. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए इस बड़े खिलाड़ी के नाम है उनका।
I would like to give a special mention that he is 74 years young. I would not say old.
मान सिंह जी के लिए जोरदार 76-year-old amazing young cricketer. What an amazing piece of fielding.
अगर कोई युवा देख रहा है, अगर अपने फिटनेस के प्रति सीरियस है तो ये जीता जागता प्रमाण यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है। क्या जज्बा है, क्या फिटनेस है। बहुत बहुत बधाई हो मान सिंह जी आपको।
Why you should be active in your 30s and 40s. He is the example right now in front of you who has caught this ball amazingly.
राहुल, मैं आपको 2-3 जिम के एड्रेस खुद ही दूंगा। सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर आ रही है कि राहुल ने भी अभी जिम ज्वाइन किया है।
मैं पिछले जिम में गया था कोशिश करने की एनरोल करूं, लेकिन वहां आपका सिर्फ फोटो शूट ही चल रहा था राहुल भाई, तो वहां से आना ही पड़ा क्योंकि फोटो शूट वहां जाना हो रहा था। वर्कआउट की जगह आपका फोटो शूट हो रहा था वहां।
मैं आई टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी
हो गया अंकल पॉपकॉर्न।
to mention how important your fitness is. At the age of 74, 75, you see someone as fit, then you have achieved something in life, Rahul. Fitness है तो life है, and fitness is very, very crucial.
When they say health is wealth, I would say health is everything and much, much, much beyond your wealth.
Surprisingly, I'm seeing John playing defensive shots. He's by nature a very aggressive batsman, let me tell you. Hits the ball hard, but he also knows the importance because this is a final match, Rahul.
I'm sure he must be strategizing about this. This must be his game plan. Because the way he hit that power ball and collected that boundary, having the 8 runs.
Very sensible batting by Mr. John. He knows this is the final और ये final आएगी सीधा अगले साल।
And how important his wicket, how the his wicket can create an impact on the field.
And he has shot, very good placement of the ball. Easy single, no need to take any sort of risk whatsoever on strike. Down the wicket he comes, hit it straight, good fielding in the deep. Just 1 run. of what I call a perfect shot that was.
After 4 overs, OS top 10 is 32 runs at the cost of 2 wickets. They must be trying to take the game a bit deep so that they can hit at the end and collect more runs when the pressure is
Now,
on.
I believe anything above 40 at this crucial final match is going to be a big score to chase. Because once you see 40 plus score, your mental strength goes down amicably. So, I'm sure the batsman team would be targeting 40 plus, and that should serve as a very.
You know, there is always a pressure of these final matches or these big matches we have always seen. And I'm sure this match must be doing the same kind of impact on all the players.
यहाँ पर हौसला अफजाई करने के लिए शैलेश वोरा जी और अशोक धड़प जी ने सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए प्राइज रखा हुआ है। यदि 4 मारेंगे तो 200 रुपए की कैश बख्शीश है यहाँ पर, 6 पे 600 रुपया,
और एक ओवर में 2 विकेट लिया तो 200।
बढ़िया शॉट, जॉन इज बैक इन हिज ओरिजिनल फॉर्म, व्हाट अ हिट दैट वाज।
But as the prizes were announced, we could see a slight sense of disappointment that the ball has not reached the boundary.
Again down the middle, Rahul Alvani says the prize is not a value, it's a prize, it's an achievement, it's a reward. So don't take it in a monetary way, Rahul.
But that's the value of the prize it brings.
Down the wicket!
Oh my God! What an amazing catch we have just seen!
Power ball catch that was, audience. Power ball pe wicket. Jayesh bhai standing like a wall. And what a catch that was.
Even Mr. John's bat, the way the ball reached like a tracer bullet. But the way he has collected this catch, amazing.
Many congratulations Jayesh bhai aapko. What a catch that was.
खूबसूरत कैच, दर्शकों हौसला अफजाई होनी चाहिए इस खूबसूरत अमेजिंग खिलाड़ी के लिए।
इतिहास के पन्नों में सुनहरे अक्षरों में आपका ये कैच लिखा जाएगा, याद किया जाएगा। बैक टू द गेम।
डेड बॉल
निकम जी ऑन स्ट्राइक, यहाँ पे रन करेंगे राकेश जी।
मेरे को लगता है उस पोजीशन का ही राहुल भाई कुछ इम्पैक्ट है। वहां पे कृपाली भी खड़ी थी, उसने बहुत ही अमेजिंग कैच पकड़ा था, और अभी जयेश भाई ने। देयर इज समथिंग विद दैट पोजीशन इन द गेम।
I'm sorry Rahul, I don't agree with you. There is nothing related to the position of the placement. It is all about the positioning of your brain, positioning of your thoughts, and positioning of your energy. What a shot again. Field placements can be changed, but the thought process, the level of energy cannot be.
What more I can agree with you for this.
That is the only reason why it's always said, time and again, cricket is
There
the
is some
game
kind
of
of confusion we are seeing on the field.
umpire will sort it out.
This is not handling the ball because the hand has not touched the ball. It's just the bat which has touched the ball. That's what the umpire is saying.
ICC, we follow ICC rule book, Rahul.
जूस पिला दो।
Nothing less, nothing
मौसमी
more.
का
On strike, Mr. Nikam. Bowling करेंगे, Mr. Kamal.
पांच ओवर हो गए, लास्ट ओवर है।
6 ओवर का मैच है, 5 ओवर समाप्त हुए, आखिरी ओवर है ये। 33 स्कोर हुआ 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। लास्ट ओवर ऑफ दिस इनिंग, फर्स्ट इनिंग की लास्ट ओवर। ऑन स्ट्राइक मिस्टर लक्ष्मण निकम।
6
Important last minute discussions. Remember Rahul, this is a final match. No less. They don't want to take any chances whatsoever. making the placements
Do you-
absolutely bang on.
It's out.
Umpire has declared out. Mr. Nikan not very happy. He's
Because the runner has ran away.
he has no clue whatsoever. He's
चैतन
still
भाई
checking with the umpires as to what had made his wicket. In the meanwhile, Mr. Rakesh Shah is the new batsman. Coming into the crease to face last over. Bowling करेंगे कमल जी. And he keeps the scorer busy. Too easy runs.
Between the wickets, we have just
At
seen.
this age, this energy level is just absolute unbelievable.
What an amazing presence of mind we are witnessing here on the field. How they are, taking all these, converting these two singles into doubles. That's quite commendable. Chance of a run out, yeah.
He was loud and clear. He wanted to take the run. And I think power ball पे again wicket आ गई है. The batsmen are working hard to score the runs, and then one power ball comes and everything gets wiped out. What do you have to say on that round?
I was thinking that the scoreboard may touch the mark of 40, but right now it looks quite difficult because only 3 balls are remaining.
How about 3 balls and 3 boundaries?
We need to see how they hit the ball. Last 2 balls, they need to show that kind of intent right now.
I think 2 balls, 8 runs.
Kirit Bhai will be taking this strike.
40 run mark. In
Ball is in
air.
the air.
Ball was in the air but landed safe. Easy one. Run completed. Back on strike, Mr. Rakesh Shah.
Last ball of the inning.
Ball of this first inning. Can we see a boundary round? Some fireworks.
Maybe trying, but he's bowled out. That's maybe a very important victory right now in the mental space of super strikers.
33 is the score, 34 is the target. This is the final match. And in final match, each and every run, each and every ball is important. And I think this is going to go, this game is going to go till the last ball.
I'm sure this must go because the audience is waiting for the same kind of filler what they have witnessed in the previous semi-final of the women's match. They must be waiting for such kind of entertainment right now.
Very, very important match.
Every run counts, and Rahul, we have always seen, as you have mentioned in the previous match also, that उन्होंने रन इतने बना लिए लेकिन सामने वाली टीम को भी बनाने हैं अभी ये रन. And that's what the pressure of finals may bring in for you.
I was once doing my international assignment
जूम आउट करके रख दो
and I heard Sir Vivian Richard saying, however low the total is, the team against which the bowling side is playing, they still have to go and score the run on the ground. Nevertheless, so each and every run, as you rightly said, is very, very important. And overcompensation does many times results in a heavy loss.
That's quite true, and if the words are coming from the horse's mouth directly from Sir Vivian Richards, we have to respect that, and that's what his commendable experience brings in. Now we have on the strike Chetan Ji
Mr. Chetan Shah would be on strike.
and Amit Bhai on the non-strike.
Bowler name? Bowler is yet to be assigned for this crucial, important final match, second innings, first over.
Let me tell you, Rahul bhai, this is the first final of this OSPN Season 10. अगर शुरुआत इतनी एंटरटेनिंग होगी तो अंत इतना खूबसूरत होगा।
CD bad, straight bad. I always admire that shot, which is always played straight like a bullet.
You
It
know,
reminds me of the drive of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar.
अपने
No one
पहले
plays as straight as Sachin.
That's so true. अपने पहले राइट पैर को आगे किया, take the head towards the ball, and just hit the ball out of the park. He was trying to.
Head on the ball. True. Very sensible cricket.
That's a good cut.
First over, first up, no need to take any kind of risks. No need to do anything more. Just stick to basics.
Dead ball करा दी गई है. The basics are quite important in the game. They may take you, to the fence and
I would say basics are important in your day-to-day life too. So cricket is just not about winning and losing. Cricket is all about learning. Learning from each and every ball, learning from each and every run. What say?
what an amazing drive. And I'm sure what you implement such kind of things in cricket, if you implement same things in your life becomes more beautiful, more amazing for you.
I couldn't agree more with you, Rahul. Bang on. Life is all about taking up challenges at every stage of your life. Something or the other pops up, and the way you handle those obstacles is what matters. And the way you come out, that is very important.
And how about learning these amazing things from such seniors?
खड़े रहो बेटे।
The score एक ओवर में 7 रन हो चुके हैं, मैं ऑडियंस को बता दूं. These seniors have been teaching us because they have exemplary led their life in an amazing fashion.
Very well said, Rahul. In the meanwhile, Mr. Lakshman Nikam is the bowler.
Chetan Bhai with his amazing drives, taking on the strike.
Very well played. He started off to play on the front foot. Eventually, he realized the ball is short, went on to the back foot quickly and completed a single.
That's what the presence of mind is called about, Rahul.
Very good running between the. I really am surprised by the fitness level of Mr. Kamal. Again, straight drive. I think
Kamal Bhai is mostly visible on the track, downstairs only, always either running or walking.
I need to ask him what kind of compliant drink he has. And especially you, Rahul, you will be very soon be playing in the senior team category. You should be having some backup plans as far as your fitness is concerned. I think next
But
year,
at least 10 years after you, I'll be going, or let me say at least 15. That will be at least a decent time, I can say.
in the meanwhile, I would like my audience to update the score after 2 overs. Score is 30 without loss of any wicket.
They need 21 runs in 24 balls. That's quite run a ball score and must be,
I think
easy for super strikers to take up. And that's the challenge for OS top 10 right now.
looks easy unless the batting team doesn't do anything silly and make themselves land in a situation where they can't take a U-turn or a reverse. So they have to go straight at a constant speed and they'll be through for the.
But now OS top 10 has to do something to be back in the game, to take a few wickets, and to create an impact and create an entertaining, thrilling final match. What the audience is there to witness.
Absolutely. Wickets is what is on their mind currently.
भाई टिकट का पैसा भी वसूल करना है ऑडियंस को. कि सेवपुरी तो ऑलरेडी खत्म हो चुका है राहुल भाई।
इंग्लिश कमेंट्री किया, सब कुछ किया, फिर बाद में शिवपुरी पे आ गया।
क्योंकि आप दुखी थे, मैं आपके दुख के लिए बता रहा था राहुल भाई। मैं खाना खा के आया था।
इसलिए मैं ना मतलब आपको मैं सेकेंड असाइनमेंट में रखूंगा, इंटरनेशनल टूर नहीं कर सकते आप मेरे साथ। इन द मीन वाली गेम में वापस आएंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट फाइनल मैच। बॉलिंग करेंगे राकेश शाह, अमित जी इज द बैटर।
बट राहुल भाई आप क्यों भूल गए, ये मैं जून में वेस्ट इंडीज से आया ही था अपना इंटरनेशनल असाइनमेंट पूरा करके इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप जिता के। आप काय को भूल गए, आप एयरपोर्ट आए थे मेरे साथ।
मैं इतने इंटरनेशनल टूर्स करता हूँ, सॉरी ध्यान नहीं देता, याद रहना मुश्किल हो जाता है।
बट वो वाला आपसे मिस हो गया था।
नो बॉल का यहाँ पर इशारा। इसी बीच आज के लिए कमेंट्री बॉक्स इज क्लोज, 10 PM का डेडलाइन है। कल फिर मिलेंगे
नहीं, फ्राइडे को फिर मिलेंगे आप
इसी जगह।
लेकिन काफी जल्दी मिलेंगे आपसे सुबह सुबह। और राहुल भाई प्लीज मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप टाइम पे आना शुरू करें अब कमेंट्री बॉक्स में, आपकी जरूरत है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल राहुल, कोशिश करूंगा, बहुत सारा मैनेज करना पड़ता है मुझे।
आप प्लीज टाइम से उठना भी शुरू करें नींद से अपनी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, और भी मैं दोनों ही टीम को और अभिनंदन करना चाहूंगा, विनिंग टीम का पहले से ही। थैंक यू एंड गुड नाइट।
फाइनली है, अभी फाइनल चल रहा है ना, अभी बच्चे लोग का, फिर गर्ल्स का, फिर
4 मैच
हाँ बराबर ऐसा तो हुए ना, ऐसा फिर 5 और वो 5 है ना, फिर बाद में प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है ना फिर
केवल परमिशन बनवाना पड़ता है उसके लिए।
मगज में नहीं रहेगा ना, पैसा की लाभ समझ गए ना पुलिस वाले वो क्या
दांड मेरे